Hi, everyone. Today it is time to announce the final seed in the 2023 free seed giveaway. So this year we're giving you a tomato variety. It's a determinate tomato variety, which means it's going to grow until it produces, and then you're going to be done with it. It's not like the indeterminate where it just keeps growing and you have to stake it and you grow it throughout the season. This is actually a great opportunity for you to start plants at different times so you can follow on one crop with another, or even stage your planting so you have them coming to maturity at different times. So I'm sure you're waiting to hear which type of tomato we are growing, and that is the Floridade tomato. Now, this can be loved by gardeners all across the country, but it was specifically developed in Florida to deal with some of the hot and humid weather. One of the problems that particularly a lot of the indeterminate tomato varieties have is that there is more susceptibility to disease, and so this has more of that disease resistance. So it was developed in Dade County back in the 1970s and thus got called the Floridade tomato, made by the University of Florida, so Floridade. And it's known for, as we said, its disease resistance, and it makes it a very reliable crop for gardeners, and people in the southeast should celebrate this tomato. But, with it being hot and humid climate friendly, I'm actually looking forward to it here in suburban Kansas City, which is a Zone 6 garden. But during the summer, we definitely do get our fair share of hot and humid weather. So I'm hoping it'll work well here. If you happen to be in a very dry climate or in the north, well, if it's pretty cool, it might not do great. But I think even with dry, the reason it's beneficial is for the wet is it helps prevent those diseases. But it will still grow fine in a dry climate, I believe. It just doesn't have that added benefit because you guys probably don't have to worry too much about that anyway. But I've heard, and I actually have not grown it myself, but I've heard that it's delicious. It's rich, has a tangy flavor, and a pleasant level of acidity. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, and other dishes in which you would use tomatoes. Because it is a determinate variety, as we were talking about, it is also perfect for anyone who might have more limited space when they're growing, trying to do container gardens, or just basically don't want to have to deal with the tomato for the whole season and fuss with pruning it or staking it. You never want to really prune determinate variety tomatoes because what they grow is what they grow, and it won't inspire new growth in any manner. So I hope that you all enjoy the Floridade tomato, and I look forward to growing with you. And now it is time to fertilize your funny bone with Best Garden Giggles. Why was the Floridade at top of his class? He was a determinate student.